Hi, I am Meet Bhavankar, and the topic of our final project is the image to food recipe and nutritional value generator using deep learning. So, what's the need of this project? Food is considered to be one of the most important aspects of human life. It has close ties which relate to our health, culture, and livelihood. Nowadays, people are trying to become more familiar with their food habits so that they can make informed choices about their health but cannot figure out how or where to start. So, our project tries to bridge the gap between the consumption of food and the effect on the health of an individual. The proposed system will help an individual to maintain a healthy diet by getting the closest recipe and the nutritional value of the input food image. The main aim is to create an accurate and a single platform to generate food recipes and the nutritional values through an input food image. The objective of the project is to prepare a robust neural network that identifies food with a reasonable accuracy and to improve the classification accuracy by smartly using the dataset and to provide a one-stop solution that's a mobile application for classification and to provide nutritional values which will empower people to be aware of their health and make informed decision regarding to their health.
Now, I'll quickly go through the problem statement, what we proposed in the beginning, and go over technologies that we have used, and the architectures and the machine learning models that we have used to build our solution. So initially, we set out a problem statement to be to build a mobile application which takes a food image as input and output the closest matching recipes along with the nutritional value. I think we have fairly achieved our goal of the problem statement we set out, as we will see in the demo. Now I'll quickly go to the technologies and dataset we use. The technologies we use were React Native for cross-platform mobile app development, which had React and JavaScript. For the languages, machine learning libraries we use PyTorch. For dataset we use Recipe Value Engine, and for algorithms we use Delset 121 and K-nearest classifier. So what was our proposed system? The proposed system looks like something like this. First, we train our neural network, that is a CNN DenseNet 121, to generate encodings for the whole dataset. These encodings then will be loaded, and since our model is trained, will be loaded into the memory. Then how does the input flow work? We get the input as food image, and then the trained model outputs two things. One is the encoded input images, and once we have already ready the encoded recipes, both these things are ready. Then we combine them and put them into the nearest classifier. What this does is the nearest classifier takes the encoding for the input image and searches the whole encoded dataset that we have already generated. And once we get the closest matching recipes, we output it. So this was our proposed solution. Now I will go to the demo. For the demo purpose, we have three things. One is the Jupyter notebook that we have created. The other is a robust API we have created using Flask, and that we will demonstrate using Postman. And then finally, this API will be consumed by our mobile application that we'll be developing, that we'll be demonstrating through our mobile app. So this is our Jupyter notebook. For the for the input, we have selected four things, four images, that is the steak, pizza, American cheeseburger, and finally and the chocolate ice cream. So now I'll run the Jupyter notebook. So finally, the expected output are the ingredients, the instructions, the nutritional values. So now we have got recipe 1, that is grilled ribeye steak with balsamic butter, the ingredients for this, and finally the nutritional values and the instructions for how to make this dish. So for each image, the model will output 3 to 5 closest matching recipes. So now this for steak, we have two closest matching recipes. Second dish is balsamic steak with caramelized onions and garlic. These are the ingredients, these are the nutritional values, and these are the instructions of how to make the recipe. Okay, then we have our pizza. The same thing here, the title, the ingredients, and the instructions. Now, when with the burger, the cheeseburger, the ingredients, the nutritional values, finally the instructions. Finally, we got our chocolate ice cream. So we got our chocolate ice cream, the ingredients, the nutritional values, and the instructions. So this was the output for our Jupyter notebook. Now we are going to show our mobile application. So we have this person click an image. So we take the photo of the image, use photo, then we wait for the results. So we have got back our results. This in total we have got 4 recipes back. So this is the title, ingredients, the instructions, and the nutritional value. Well, same thing. We are going to try for another example. This one mistake. So we have got finally our output. So for this we have received 4 recipes. So this is the title, grilled steak with garlic sauce, ingredients, the instructions, and finally the nutritional values. So, so we have achieved the purpose problem statement that we first laid out, and we believe that this application will help users to make informed decisions about their eating habits using the nutritional values, and also sometimes are able to enjoy the joy and love of cooking using the instructions that we get from here. So this was a major project. Thank you.